Does your neck get tense from a long day of work? Do you have knots and muscle tension? The Vivril Cordless Massager is your portable personal masseuse, ready to take the tension away anytime you need it. All you need to do is sit back, press the button, and let your stress melt away. It has 6 adjustable speeds and massage modes. Whether you prefer a gentler massage or an intense one, simply adjust the speed and mode to fit your need. With its powerful ergonomic motor that reaches 3,200 pulses per minute, Vivril Massager will release your pain by deeply penetrating tissue and muscles. Vivril Massager comes with 6 interchangeable heads to easily adapt to your specific need. If you are too busy to have a spa day or are looking for the perfect gift for a friend, family, or loved one, the Vivril Massager is there to release stress at any occasion. Sit back and enjoy a spa treatment at home or on the go with Vivril Portable Massager.